मुनित्रय प्रार्थना। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ नमः पाणिनिकाचार्यन पतञ्जलिभ्यः शब्दविद्या संप्रदाय प्रवर्तकेभ्यो मुनिभ्यो महद्भ्यो गुरुभ्यः। Before going to the next sutra in this class, let us examine the previous sutra. The reason is that is the basis for all the coming 7-8 sutras. That is Sashti Seshe. This is a concept of Sesha Sashti. That means the speaker or the writer, if he does not want to use karma, karana, ichadi karakas to connect with the verb in the sense given by Pāṇini, a liberty is given to them, a freedom is given to them, that if you want to connect it with the verb, you can directly take the karaka. Suppose it is karma karakam dvitiya, karana karakam tritiya, etc., etc. Or if you want to stress upon the relationship between the kriya and the word you are going to introduce in the place of karaka, if you want to establish only the connection, so you can use Sashti. Sambandha samanye Sashti ityuktam. So this is the freedom given to us. We have taken some simple examples also. Let us repeat them once again. Satam gatam. What does it mean? The behavior. Gatam means napumsake bhavektaha. The gamanam icharthaha. That is the behavior, the way of conducting oneself. Acharanam icharthaha. Satam gatam. It means, actually, if you want to use the karakam, kartari trutiya bhavati. Sadbhihi gatam itu vaktavyam. That is, the acharanam made by great persons by trutiya. So, instead of taking sadbhihi, that is karane trutiya, kartari trutiya. So, instead of using as kartru karakam and connecting with gatam, is just tries to connect the sat. Sat means satpurusha. Satpurushanam vyavahara vishaye tesham sambandhi vyavaharaha. The acharanam in respect of satpurushas. You want to say like that, it can be told. So with the result, with the Sesha Sashti, Sat Shabdat Bahuvachane Shashti Satam. Sataha Satohu Satam iti Rupani. Sataha means a singular number of the great person, of the right conduct person. Satam ichukte plural. Satam gatam. The acharanam or the behavior of the sister janaha, good persons. Here, instead of using karana karakam, because Sat is a karta there, Who is the Acharya? Who is doing this behavior? Who is behaving? Sat is the Karta. So instead of using Tritiya Vibhakti, by your own choice, you want to connect with the Gatam only in respect of you want to establish a relationship between the great persons and their the Acharanam related to great persons. So if you want to relate, you can use Sashti. So by option he is using Sashti. He can use Tritiya also. Finally, what our great Bhashyakara Patanjali has told, Vivakshataha karakani bhavanti. Vivaksha means Bhaktum Ichha, the speaker's will of expression, his desire of expressing. Depending upon that, the Karakam will be there. Vivakshataha, Vivaksha karanena Karakam bhavati. If he wants to use instead of Tritiya, he can use as well Sashti. Matuhu smarati is another example you have taken. Matuhu smarati. Smaranam yasmini vishaye mataram. Mataram actually it gets Matru Shabdat Karma Karakatvena Dvitiya bhavati. Instead of telling Mataram smarati, instead of using there Dvitiya, Karmatvam he doesn't want to express. There is Karmatvam only, but Karmatvam he doesn't want to express. He just wants to establish the relationship with the Smarana Kriya and the Matu. Ante the Kartuhu Matru Vishaye Smaranam Icharthaha. Vishaya Sambandha Sashti. So instead of telling Mataram Smarati, which he could have told rightly also, Matuhu iti Matru Shabdat Sashti. Matru Sambandhi Kartuhu Smaranam Icharthaha. The Smaranam done by Karta in respect of his mother. Bhaje Shambhohu Charanayoho. This is another example you have dealt with. Shambhu Charanas, they are the karma. Shambhu Charana means Shivasya Padaha, the feet of God Shiva. I worship the feet of God Shiva. Feet of God Shiva, it has got karmatvam. You could have used Dvitiya. Shivasya Padau Bhaje. Padau is a karmatva karakam. Dvitiya Divavachanam. Instead of telling that Shambho Charanayoho iti Sashti Upayuktam. Charanayoho iti Sashti. Charanau iti Dvitiya. Instead of telling Charanau, which he should have said, if he wants to give Karmatvam for the Charana, Karmatvam will be there. It is ordained actually by Karturipsita Tamam Karma, iti Karma Sanya Sutrena. This is ordained to be karma only. But Vivakshataha Vakta Karmatvam Anupayujya Tatsambandha Karakattvena Sashti Upayujyate. So he tells us Shambhoho Charanayoho Bhaje. Phalanam Truptaha. Phalanam Truptaha Ichukte. Actually, Trupti is arising. The Karta is enjoying Trupti. By what?
Fruits, by enjoying fruits.
Fruits, by eating fruits. So fruit will be the sadhakam for Trupti. Sadhaka tamam karanamichvi tasya phalashabdasya kim karakam bhavati?
Tritiya.
Karakam you tell. Karana karakam bhavati. Sadhanam bhavati kila. So karane chaturdhi, karane trutiya. So you could have said phalaihi truptaha. Adhava phale truptaha. If it is one fruit. He is telling phalanam trupti, truptaha, truptihi, adhava truptihi, truptaha. That means his trupti is in respect of fruits. In respect of, he is just connecting trupta with phala in respect of connection. That is sambandha samanye shashti. So in this context, now we will go to some sutras where more specifically is a sesha sashti. You would have observed sashti seshe antaparyantam. Sashti seshe. That is, in all these cases, in respect of each dhatu, in respect of the specified dhatus. For example, adhigardha jno. Jnaha iti specified verb, specified kriyapadam, dhatuhu. Adhigardha dayesham, specified kriyapadani. Kriyaha, dhatuhu. Rujardhanam, dhatuhu. All these are dhatus. In respect of these dhatus, sesha sashti can be used. So, in all these sutras, you are going to come across some dhatus where in respect of those dhatus, karmani sashti athava karane sashti bhavati. Karmakarakatva avivachayam sambandha vishayena sashti. Karanakarakatva avivachayam. Avivacha means not having desire to for connecting the verb with karaka. So karanatva avivachayam sashti prathama sutram. Karanatva avivachayam, first sutram. Karanatva avivachayam sambandha samanyam kalpayitum sashti. Atra remaining sutras karmanah karakasya avivatvachayam avivachataha seshe sashti. All these things. Now we will take each one. Jno avidardhasya karane. Jnaha avidardhasya karane sashti seshe. What does it mean? Here dhatu is jnaha. It refers to dhatu jna. That means jna dhatoho sashti ekavachanasya rupam jnaha. Dhatoho akarasya lopaha anantaram sashti tatpurusha sashti vibhakti prachyaha. That means jna dhatuhu prayoge karanakarake tasya avivachayam sambandham kalpayitum sashti bhavitum arhati. So I need not go on repeating what is this sesha sashti because already I have established it. So jnaha means jna iti dhatoho. But actually what is the meaning of jna? To know. There are two dhatus in respect of jna. With jna, two dhatus are read in the dhatu patha. One is jna avabodhane. Avabodhana means understanding. So it relates to jnana. Jna avabodhane is one particular dhatu and jna niyoge iti anyaha dhatuhu. That is in niyogartha. Niyoga means appointing one person in a particular place or specifying an action to be done. Karya niyogaha. So jna avabodhane iti jnanarthaka dhatuhu. To know. Jnanarthaka dhatuhu. KNOW. Actually, KNOW, this English word also has come from jna only. If you just repeat, if you just utter KN as jna, it becomes jnao. With a slight difference of pronunciation, no. KNOW. Now, when jna dhatu is taken here, not in niyogartha, but avabodhanardhe, when avabodhanardha is taken, it necessarily implies jnana only, knowledge only. But he says, avidardhasya ajnanarthaha. That means not jnanarthaha. Jnanardhat bhinne ardhe jnadhatuhu prayuktaschet tasya karane karanatva avivachayam sesha sasti bhavitum arhati iti sutrarthaha. Karanatva, karane, I have written karane there. Karanatva avivachayam. I told karmani, no. Karanatva avivachayam seshe sasti bhavati. Where when jnana dhatu is used not in the knowledge sense, what is the other sense in which this can be used? You have told jna avabodhane. Avabodhanam nama vida jnane. Vida is also another dhatu. Vida jnane. Jnanardhaka dhatu iti bhavata eva uktam kila iti pruchyanti. Tadhi anekardhatvam dhatunam iti prachina vakyam. Dhatavaha anekardhe prayujyante. Not only in the meanings specified in the Dhatu Patha. Dhatu Patha actually, the Prathama Dhatu Patha has been done by Pāṇini only. Because we know Pāṇini's Dhatu Patha more intimately. Earlier Pandits also might have done, and some other Pandits also, Kshiraswami, Ichadayaha, they have written Dhatu Patha separately. But even then, Dhatu Patha of Pāṇini is standard. So, Dhatu Pathe Jnanartham Uktam, Kintu, actual usage, there are certain sentences where Jna can be used other than Jnanartha. Other than Jnanartha, what is this? We are going to tell only one, we are taking only one Artha. Vyavaharaha iti artham swikurumaha. Tena vyavaharaha. Kena chenajit vyavaharaha. He acts, he moves, he deals with, or you can say, he engages in. In this artha also we can use jnadhatuhu. Now we are going to use such kind of jnadhatuhu where karana will get sasti instead of tritiya. We will take one example. Sarpishaha janite. Sarpishaha janite. Even though this contains some new words, still it is very good to understand the udaharanam given in Shastra. In more than one book, the same example has been given. Janite, sarpishaha janite. Jnadhatuhu, ubhayapadi dhatuhu. Janati as well as janite. It takes parasmaipada, atmanepada also. But here, vyavahara he acts. He acts or he gets himself engaged in. Tasya karya pravrutti asmin asti. Tasya karya vestata asmin asti. He is engaged in this action. In that particular meaning, jnadhatu gets atmanepada prachaya. So he says janite. This is usually here, not in the vidardha, not in knowledge artha. In which artha? He acts with, he engages himself with vyavahara. Vyavahararthe upayuktam. So with what he is acting himself, with what he is behaving, with what he is started his work, in which work he has been entrusted with, in which work he is very much interested. Ichukte, suppose a sacrifice, yajna takes place. Yajna means, sacrifices, but also you say in your English. So in yajna kanda, There are Agni Kundas, several Agni Kundas. In a Mahayajna, several Agni Kundas. One particular person is employed to this, for this work only. You go on distributing the ghee, you take a clarified butter, you say in English, but we say in Bharat, ghee. So you take this ghee in a pot, in a patram, and then go on visiting all the Agni Kundas, moving around all the Kundas, wherever Agni ghee is required by Purohit there, then just go on supplying. So he is Saha Grutena Vyavaharati. Asmin Karyakrame, Yajna Karyakrame, Esaha Grutena Vyavaharati. Grutena Upayena Vyavaharati. So in that meaning, Sarpish Shabdaha, Sarpishaha Janite. Sarpish Shabdat Sasti. It is, instead of telling in English, he is engaging himself by ghee, of the ghee you are telling. If you tell in English, of is the Sasti Vibhakti Prachaya. By is the Tritiya Vibhakti Prachaya. Instead of telling by taking ghee along with him, he is going round. Instead of telling by, of the ghee you are telling. Sarpishaha Sasti. Sarpishaha Janite. That means he engages in sacrificial yajnas, he engages himself in clarified butter, with clarified butter. That is clarified butter, ghee shabdaha, tena upayena vyavaharati, tena sadhanena vyavaharati. Perhaps why he has been interested with this ghee, perhaps he is very much interested in ghee. Sometimes some people, they take pleasure in ghee. Even the smell of a good ghee is pleasant for you. So, while doing taking food also, he might be attached to ghee. That's why that particular person has been given this work only. You take a pot of ghee and go around the Yajna Kundas and go on distributing this ghee wherever it is required. So, Grutena Vyavaharati. Yatha Bhujikriyayam, Yatha Bhojanakriyaayam Saha Grutena Vyavaharati, Tenaiva Rupena Yajna Kandasu api Vartate.
He must be alert also. Wherever it is required,
naturally,
he has to be.
he knows its value. Ghee, in old times also, it is very valuable. Amulyam. Nowadays, nobody is using ghee for want of finances. So that's a different thing. So, suppose you don't want to use Karanatva Karake, Karanatva Karakarthe, Karanatva Avivaksha Nasti Bhavatam. So you want to employ Karanatva Karakam only. Then you just had Trutiya. Sarpish Ta Trutiya. Sarpisha Janite, you could have said. Here Janite. Janite is the word Atmanepada Prachayam. This is given to us in the Atmanepada Prakaranam. First chapter, third pada, we have told Atmanepada Prakaranam. There, Akarmakachya iti sutram dattam. Apahnave jnaha iti anantaram. That jnaha word, you take that as anurti and akarmakat cha. Jnaha akarmakat atmanepadam bhavati icharthaha. When you use jna dhatuhu, not in jnanartha, if you use in jnanartha, they will be karnakarakam. So, if you use jnanartha without that meaning, that is, if you use jna as akarmaka, then akarmake akarmakat atmanepadam bhavati iti sutrat atra atmanepadam muktam. Sarpisha upayena pravartate ichartha. Yadha bhojana kriyayam sarpihi tasya upayaha vartate तथैव यज्ञकाण्डसु अपि सर्पिषा एव तस्य व्यवहारः। तर्हि व्यवहारार्थः अत्र उक्तः इति कारणेन सर्पिषः इति शेषे षष्ठी। मधुनो जानीते, अनदर एग्जाम्पल, मधुनः जानीते। मधु मीन्स हनी। मधुना करणेन प्रवर्तते इत्यर्थः। हियर आल्सो शेष षष्ठी इंस्टेड ऑफ करण तृतीया शेष षष्ठी। भवान् शास्त्रस्य जानीताम् इति अनदर एग्जाम्पल। शास्त्रस्य जानीताम्, शास्त्रं जानीताम् इति वक्तव्यमासीत्। यू ट्राई टू नो शास्त्रम, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ टेलिंग नो, ज्ञानार्थ शब्दम अनुपयुज्य अत्र व्यवहारार्थः। दैट मीन्स भवान् शास्त्रस्य शास्त्रे व्याप्रियताम् इत्यर्थः। भवान् शास्त्रे व्याप्रियताम्। You kindly do the actions as per the Shastra. Conduct yourself with knowledge, Shastra knowledge. Otherwise you can say, Bhavan Shastrasya Janitam. Instead of Shastra, you use Shastra. It will be more. You conduct yourself in the battle with weapons. You should understand how to conduct yourself in battle with Shastra. So you take Shastra instead of Shastra. Bhavan Shastrasya Janitam. Shastrena iti anupayujya Shastrasya iti. But sometimes what will happen, a doubt will arise. Why we should take a meaning of jna where it is remotely used. Jna, generally it is jnanarthakah. Jnana itself is from jna. So jnanarthaka dhatoho jna iti dhatoho kimardham vyavahare upayoktavyam iti puste sati jnanardhyeva upayogo bhavatu. तत्र अपि करणषष्ठी उपयुक्तुं शक्यते। कथं? साक्षात् ज्ञानं, शुद्ध ज्ञानं, वस्तुतः ज्ञानं चेत् कर्म भवति। अत्र मिथ्या ज्ञानमपि ज्ञानार्थकमेव। मिथ्या ज्ञानमपि अज्ञानमेव इति युक्तिं स्वीकृत्य मिथ्या, what is मिथ्या ज्ञानम? Somebody takes something that he knows everything without knowing anything. Delusion. Because of delusion, he feels that he knows that thing, but he actually does not know. So-called jnanam arising out of delusion is called mithya jnanam. Mithya means untruth. Karma satyam jagan mithya. Untruth, not existing. So, you feel that you know everything. For example, how this mithya jnana will occur? Sometimes what will happen? Chitta bhranti karanam bhavati. One particular person, he has got very much attachment to ghee, clarified butter in meals. Because it is tasting nicely, it is smelling nicely, so he developed an attachment with it. So this development of untoward attachment also is mithya jnana. He is not aware of the loss arising out of excess of use of ghee. Nowadays doctors are warning you, don't use ghee at all. It will increase fat. All these things are telling. So because of untoward attachment, he has been learning, he has been kept right from his childhood. He is taking that the ghee is much more useful and much more beneficial for him. That is also mithya jnanam. Sometimes dveshopi mithya jnanam bhavati. In his younger days, somebody during his childhood Somebody told, just for the sake of fun, he wanted to make fun of himself. He showed a very unclean and uncouth substance, looking just like ghee, and told him, see, this is ghee, you taste it. He was a child at the time. He just tasted it. It is very, very wretched. From that time onwards, he started hating ghee. Natural cause of hatred. The impressions got in the childhood, they last till the end. So he started hating ghee. So this hate also because of mithya jnanam. So mithya jnanamapi, mithya jnanardhamapi jnadhatuhu upayuktaschet tatrapi karane sashti bhavitum arhati. We can take a simple example. The example given in the Shastra is Saha tasyaha akhilam janati. Saha, a particular individual, tasyaha. Tasyaha means belonging to a woman, pertaining to a woman. Akhilam janati. He has been boasting, I know everything of that girl. Actually, he does not know. Mithya jnana, bhrantiya. He says, tam janami, instead of telling tam janami, he says, tasyaha janami. Here, he is using janami, vidardhasya, jnanardhakasya dhatuhu. But here he has clearly told, nyo avidardhasya. Even though janami in vidardha he has used in the sentence, actually he does not know. He does not know anything about that lady. He just is spreading some lies. He is just boasting. So when boasting also mithya jnana vasena yatra evam apalapo bhavati tatra api mithya jnanamapi jna dhatuhu upayujya tatra karmani sashti, sesha sashti upayuktum sekyate. So mithya jnanam actually is ajnanam only. So ajnanarthe api etad bhavitum arhati. Now we will go to another point we will stress here. Avidardhasya iti kim? Avidardhasya iti kim? So if you use jnadhatuhu in vidardha, in the meaning of knowledge, what will happen? You have to use only dvitiya in respect of that as per the standard karaka usage. You can say there also we can use sashti seshe, but generally it is not resorted to. Avidardhasya eva vyavaharardhe eva jnadhatoho karana sashti, karane sashti, seshe karane karanatva avivachaya seshe sashti upayujyate. Samanyena vidardhasya jnana dhatoho evam nabhavati iti krutva atra putram janati swarena iti vakyam dattam. Vidardhasya visaye jnadhatoho jnanardhaka visaye evam udaharanam dattam pratyudaharanam putram janati swarena. Saha pita putram janati swarena. He may be a blind person, but he can recognize, he can know that putra has come by his swara. So he is recognizing him, he is knowing the putra by means of swara. So that is karanardha. Karanardhe tritiya swarena. We will go to the next sutra. Adhigardhadayesham karmani. Here afterwards, karmani sashti up to 58 we have written here. Karmani sashti eva karmatva avivakshayam sambandham kalpayutum dhatuna sambandham kalpayutum sashti. Tasya udaharanani. Adhigardhadayesham karmani. Karmani शेषे षष्ठी इति तत्र अनुवर्त्यताम्. अधिगर्थ अधिपूर्वक इक् अर्थः. इक् इति धातुः इक स्मरणे इत्यर्थे धातुः. एतद् धातुः नित्यम् अधिपूर्वकं भवति. We have to use this dhatu with adhi only, necessarily. So adhi plus ik etad smaranardhe bhavati. Ik smarane iti dhatu patena adhipurva ik dhatu tasya use its use will be in smaranardham. So when he said adhikardha, he has told in the dhatus connected with the same meaning of adhi plus ik, that is smaranardha dhatunam ityartha. Adhigartha we have to take smaranardha dhatunam karmani seshe sashti bhavati. Anyepi dhatoh vartante daya iti dhatuh. Daya dhatu patah dana gati rakshaneshu. दया दान गति रक्षणे दानार्थे गत्यर्थे रक्षणार्थे. सामान्यतया दानार्थे वा रक्षणार्थे वा वयं तस्य उपयोगं कुर्मः. दयते इति रूपं दयधातुः आत्मनेपदेषु पठितः. दयते इति रूपं. दयते मीन्स् दानं करोति, कृपया साहाय्यं करोति अथवा रक्षणं करोति इत्यर्थः. तस्य धातोः अपि कर्मणि विषये कर्मत्व अविवक्षायां शेषे षष्ठी भवति. ईश धातुः दय प्लस ईश. ईश ऐश्वर्ये इति धातुः. ऐश्वर्यं नाम लॉर्डशिप, अधिकारः. तस्य वशे सर्वं भवति. यस्य वशे सर्वं भवति सः स्वामी. स्वामित्वम्. ईशत्वं नाम स्वामित्वम्. Isha can be used for a king or for a landlord or for God himself. So, Isha Aishwarye iti dhatoh prayogepi karmani karmanah avivatva vivachayam samanya sambandha karanena seshe sashti bhavitum arhati. Then you will take up examples. Because Seshatva vivachayam sashti iti we have explained sufficiently. Matuhu smaranam smaranardhaka dhatuhu. Mataram smaranam matuhu mataram smarati ityarthe matuhu iti sashti. Matuhu adhyeti adhipurvaka ik dhatuhu. Ik dhatoh eti iti lati prathama purusha ekavachanam. Adhipurvaka eti adhyeti. Adhyeti means smarati. Matuhu matru shabdat sashti. Tatra matru smaranam matru sambandhi smaranam ityarthaha. Keshavasya smaranam keshavasya smaramyaham. Aham keshavam smarami. Karmatva avivakshaya keshavasya iti sashti. Keshavasya smaramyaham. Utkantha api smarana vishaye kaschid bhedaha. Krishnasya utkanthate manaha. These examples are taken from prasiddha vakyas. Krishnasya utkanthate manaha. Krishnam prati utkantha bhavati iti vaktum icchati. Karmatva avivakshayam seshe sashti. Krishnasya यथा स्मरणार्थक धातूनाम एवं प्रक्रिया भवति तथा विस्मरणार्थक धातूनाम अपि. विस्मरणे अपि कर्मत्व अविवक्षायां षष्ठी शेषे भवति. एकम् उदाहरणं भटाः शस्त्राणां व्यस्मरन्. व्यस्मरन्, they have forgotten the use of weapons, or they forgotten the weapons themselves while going to battle. Bhataha means sevakaha, senanyah. Shastranam vyasmaran. शस्त्राणि व्यस्मरन् इति वक्तव्ये कर्मत्व अविवक्षायाम् I am repeating it कर्मत्व अविवक्षायां शेषे षष्ठी सर्पिषो दयते दयते दानं करोति सर्पिषो दयेते सर्पिष शब्दात् instead of using कर्मकारकम he is using इष्टस्य दयते कृष्णः कृष्णः if he is prayed in the proper way he will grant you whatever you wish. Instead of using karma karakatve द्वितीया अनुपयुक्तौ अत्र षष्ठी उपयुक्तः षष्ठी उपयुक्ता ईश धातुः सर्पिषः ईष्टे that means he is the lord of ghee has got plenty of ghee with him यथेष्टं विनियोगं कर्तुं शक्नोति ईशार्थः यथेष्ट विनियोगार्थः सर्पिषः इष्टे इत्युक्ते he can use ghee in whatever he wants to use यथेष्टं यथेच्छं विनियोगं कर्तुं शक्नोति हरिः जगतां कर्म इष्टे examine this sentence हरिः जगतां कर्म इष्टे that means नियमेन कर्मत्वे स्थापयति जगत् he controls the entire world and he systematizes it with niyamas. When somebody is not observing the niyamas, he will make him downfall. He will be a reason for his downfall. People who are niyama palakaha bhavanti, tesham labho bhavati, tesham prasado bhavati, anyesham aprasadaha. Ardhasya ishte raja. Raja ardhasya rakshakaha ityarthe. Ardhasya ardham rakshati iti anuktam atra. Karmatva avivakshayam karane sashti. Ardhasya iti karane. Nayam gatranam ishte. This is also taken from a prasiddha vakya, prasiddha kavya. Nayam gatranam ishte. Swasirira avayavan niyantrayatum na shaknoti. He is not able to keep in his own limbs in niyantranam, in control. He is not able to control himself. He is not able to control himself, that is karmatvam is there. Tata gatranam. Gatra means avayava. Gatranam ishte. Na ishte. He is not able to control his sharira avayavas. Na khalu atmanaha prabhavami is another vakya in a Abhijnana Shakuntalam. Na khalu atmanaha prabhavami. Here of course jna is not used. The same sense it is used. Prabhavami means vasikaranam kartum na shaknomi. I am not able to control myself. Atra atmanam iti vaktavyam asit. Kintu कर्मत्व अविवक्षायाम शेषे षष्ठी आत्मनः प्रभुर मे दयतां भोजः भोजचरितात् एतद् दृष्टं प्रभुर मे दयतां भोजः. Somebody is telling the Bhoja king, let him shower his dana, let him shower his prasada guna, let him shower his blessings on me. Me dayatam भोजः मे माम इति न वदति मे इति षष्ठी वदति. रामस्य दयमानः लक्ष्मणः रामं प्रति तस्य रक्षकत्व अत्र रक्षकत्व विषयः अत्र दयते इति रक्षणार्थः. Ramasya dayamanaha Lakshmanaha. Kachit bhartuhu smarasi rasike. This is also a vakya taken from Kavya. Kachit bhartuhu smarasi rasike. Hey Rasika, she is addressing her lady. Kachit bhartuhu smarasi, bhartuhu smarasi. Smaradhatuhu, smurudhatuhu. Bhartuhu iti sasti. Bhartaram smarati. Iti karmatva avivakshaya karmani sasti. Karmani seshe sasti. Madana hasta gatapi atmanaha na prabhavami is another sentence taken from a natakam. Madana hasta gatapi atmanaha na prabhavami. I am controlled by Manmatha, Kama. I am not able to control myself. Another important thing we have to tell. Here, bhuktyardhaka visaye api, natu kevalam jnanardhaka visaye, bhuktyardhaka visaye api, karmanaha sesha sasti bhavitum arhati iti Mahabhashye ekam vakyam vartate. With that sentence, we will finish the examples. Na mashanam asniyat. What is the sentence? Na mashanam asniyat. Don't eat mashadhanyam. It will create
black gram.
Black gram. Black gram, if taken in excess, it will cause so many complications in the body. Mashanam. Na mashanasniyat iti anuktam. Mashanam iti sasti. Tena etad Mahabhashya vakyena, Mahabhashya vakyam ichukte sutravadeva. It has got all the sanctity of a Pāṇini Sutra or a Vartikakara. Bhuktyardhanamapi karmani sasti jnapita. Etena. Anyatrapi karmadau sambandhamatra vivakshayam sasti bhavati. We will take some examples. Krishnasya bhajati. Karmanaha sasti. Krishnam bhajati ityarthe. Achnam divyati. Aksha means dice. The game of dice. Viprasya dadati. Vipraya dadati. Iti sampradhanarthe sasti.
Vipraya gam dadati.
Now we will go to the next sutra. Kruyaha pratiyatne. Here also karmani sasti seshe anuvartate. Now it refers to dhatu krui. Dukrui karane iti dhatuhu. Karanardha dhatuhu. To do is the meaning. Here, when kru dhatu is used, not in the ordinary sense, in a specified glorious sense, that is pratiyatne ichuktam. Pratiyatne ardhe gamyamane. Kru dhatoho karmani seshe sasti bhavati. What is pratiyatna? Pratiyatna is defined as sataha gunantaradhanam. Sataha means to the existing one. Gunantara adhanam. Attributing or implanting a new quality to the existing quality. In fact, what a guru does to Shishya is a raw product. He is creating so many qualities in him and making him a finished product. For making a finished product, he has to use so many rasayanams in terms of knowledge. So, sataha gunantara. Gunantara means other than the existing quality, he is implanting other qualities in that. So in that ardha, in that meaning, when kru dhatu is used, karotehe karmani karake seshatvena vivachite pratiyatne gamyamane. Pratiyatnam nama gunantar nidhanam iti gamyamane. Sashti Vibhaktir Bhavati. To imply the meaning of imparting new qualities in the existing. We will take some examples. Edhodakasya upaskurute. Edhodakam. Edhascha udakamcha. Edhaha means wooden fuel. Wooden sticks brought for fuel, for kindling fire. Edhaha. Udakam means water. They combine udakam and edhaha. Edhodakam iti samahararthe dvandva samasaha. The collection of edhas and udakam. Tasya upaskurute. This also happens in sacrifices, yajna. They bring fuel in the form of wooden pieces, samithas, and then they plunge them in water and they utter some mantras, Vedic chantings. By Vedic chantings, they implant new qualities in the ethas and udakam. Purification. Pavitram. For the sake of sacrificing, for the sake of using the sacrifices. So, edhodakasya upaskurute, upapurvaka krudhatuhu. Atra kurute iti krudhatoho prayogaha kasmin adhe vartate edhodakam. Edhodakam, what they do? They implant new qualities, suitability to offer in sacrifices. The qualities suitable for offering in sacrifices. So their gunantaram nidhiyate tatra. So there also gunantara nidhanam iti gamyamane edhodaka shabdat sashti. Kusumaihi keshasya upaskurute. Sadharana udaharanam. Keshasya samskaram karoti. Keshe yad purvam navartate gunaha tad adhika gunaha tatra kalpayati. Keshasya upaskurute kusumaihi. Kusumaihi keshan iti vaktum shakyate. Dvitiya vaktum shakyate. He is purifying the hair or he is decorating the hair. The hair means karma. So that gets sashti seshatva vivakshaya. Keshasya upaskurute. If you don't want to tell by avivaksha, if you want to speak karmatvam only, you can say kusumaihi keshan alankaroti. Pratiyatne iti kim? When pratiyatna is not there, gunantara nidhanam is not there, purifying that or implanting some other new quality, so such things are not there. Simply krudhatu is upakitam chet, katam karoti. Kata shabdat dvitiya. Kata iti karmakarakam. Katturipsititamam karma iti sutrena atra karmakarakatvam praptam kata shabdasya. Tasmat dvitiya. Tesham karmani sesha sashti chiktam gila. Sutre kimuktam. Sutre kuyaha pratiyatne chuktam. Atra kimadham pratiyatne yuktam tad we will take first. Pratiyatne we have given example katam karoti. Kimadham karmani iti uktam. If it is otherwise, if it is not karma, avivat vivakshayam seshe sashti na bhavati. Edhodakasya upaskurute prajnaya. One person is bringing sanctity in edhodakam. He improves the sanctity of edhodakam by his brilliant intellect. So, brilliant intellect means prajna. Prajna shabda trutiya eva bhavati. Kimardam atra karma shabdo nasti tad. Tadaddam karmani ityuktam. Atra edhodakam iti karma. Tasmat sashti bhavati seshatva vivakshaya. Prajna shabdaha karanarthakaha. So, it gets trutiya only. Then, seshe ityeva. This we have been asserting right from the beginning. If you want to not to speak the relative systematized karakam, you can use sashti. So if you want to use the relative karakam, you need not use sashti. Karmatva vivaksha exists, then only dvitiya. Vivakshataha karakani bhavanti sutrena. Keshan prasadhayati, keshan alankaroti. Tatra vivaksha nasti. Karmatva avivaksha nasti. Keshan upaskurute. Keshan upaskurute. Upat pratiyatne iti sutrena upapurvat kurute iti dhatoh sudagamo bhavati. Upaskurute ityuktam kila upakurute iti navaktavyam. Upat pratiyatne iti sutrena, when pratiyatna meaning is implied there, upashabdat kim bhavati? Sudagamo bhavati. Upaskurute. Another sutra. Rujarthanam bhavavachananam ajvarehe. Rujarthanam bhavavachananam ajvarehe. Rujarthanam. Ruja. Ruja means pida, pain, torment, distress, ichadi. एतस्य अर्धे ये धातवः वर्तन्ते रुजार्धानां धातूनां कर्मणि शेषे षष्ठी भवति. Another conditionality is there. रुजार्धानां धातूनां कर्मणि शेषे षष्ठी भवति. भाववचनानां you add no, it's all right, sit there, you just take it. Bhavavachananam, you add bha, dirgha. Bhavavachananam ajvarehe. If bhavavachana arising out of rujardha dhatuhu, if it is made karta, then karmani karmatva avivakshaya seshatva vivakshaya sashti bhavati. The dhatu should be in rujardha, pidartha. Causing distress, causing anguish, causing trouble, all this. And then the karta should be bhavavachanam. Bhavavachanam arising out of rujardha dhatuhu. For example, kuppiti dhatu vartate. Bhavavachanasya udaharanam vadami. Kuppiti dhatuhu. Kup means to get angry with. Kopaha iti bhavavachanam. Krudha. Krodhaha. Ichadayah bhavavachanaha. Because on a dhatu, we suffix a particular pratyaya to take it in bhavavachanam. So, such kind of bhavavachanam should be the karta. So, we will take one example. Chaurasya rujati rogaha. Roga iti dhatuhu ruji dhatoho bhavavachanam. Ruji dhatoho kaschit pratyayah tatra upayukta chet rogaha bhavati. Rogaha means disease. Rogaha chaurasya rujati. It is causing distress to chaura, a thief. Roga is causing distress to a thief. Rujati icharde pidartha. Pidayati. Kleshayati ichartha. Kaha rogaha. Rujardha dhatunam bhavavachanam. This is karta here. Rogaha rujati. Karta. Bhavavachanam karta krutam. Chaurasya karmani. Whom roga is distressing? Chaura. Tasya karmani seshatu vivakshayam sashti. Chaurasya rujati rogaha. Adhava karmatva vivakshayam rogaha chauram rujati, you can say. Chaurasya amayati amayaha. Another vakya. Ama. Amayati iti kriya ama roge iti dhatohu utpannaha lat lakaraha. आमयति चुरादिगणे वर्तते चौरस्य आमयति आमयः आमयति इति रुजार्धधातुः एव कासिंग डिस्ट्रेस आमयः इति भाववचनम् ऑफ आमयति सो यू टेक आमयः एज कर्ता चौर इति कर्म कर्मणि शेषत्व विवक्षायां षष्ठी चौरस्य आमयति अदर एग्जांपल्स आल्सो वी कैन टेक देहस्य रुजति रोगः देहं रुजति इति वक्तव्ये सति देहस्य रिपः रुजति विक्रमः the प्रतिभटस्य विक्रमः the enemy's valor is distressing his enemy the hero's valor is distressing the enemy ripoho distressing the enemy you can make enemy the karma pada you can say ripum but instead of telling that karmatva avivakshaya ripoho iti षष्ठी ripoho rujati vikramah रुजार्धानामेव भवति एतत् कार्यं रुजार्धो नास्ति चेत् तत्र भाववचनस्य भाववचनं भवतु नाम किन्तु अत्र शेषत्वविवक्षायां षष्ठी न भवति तदर्थम् एकः श्लोकः उक्तः एति जीवन्तम् आनन्दो नरं वर्षशतादपि अत्र मुख्यवाक्यम् आनन्दः नरं जीवन्तम् एति Life is very important for a man. When he is living, he can get ananda sometime or other. Not immediately. Sometime or other, if he is living, he can get ananda. Eti jivantam anando naram. Anandaha naram eti. Iti mukhya vakyam. Anandaha naram eti. That is, it brings nara happiness. Anandaha iti karta. किंतु अत्र आनंदस्य इति न वक्तव्यं किमर्थम् एति इति धातुः एति इति रुजार्ध धातुः न एति मीन्स गच्छति गच्छति नाम प्राप्नोति गच्छर्थः एति धातुः गच्छर्थः न तु रुजार्थः तदर्थम् आनंद शब्दः अस्ति चेदपि भाववचने आनंद शब्दः नंद धातोः आंग पूर्वक नंद धातोः आनंदः भाववचनः हैप्पीनेस सो आनंदः भाववचनं किंतु कर्तृपदमेव किंतु एति इति रुजार्ध धातुः नास्ति इति कृत्वा अत्र कर्मत्वविवक्षायां षष्ठी न भवति भाववचनम् इति किम् श्लेष्मा पुरुषं रुजति पीडयति किं श्लेष्मा श्लेष्मन् शब्दः श्लेष्मन् इति फ्लेम काजिंग obstruction in the throat that पीडयति अत्र श्लेष्मा पुरुषं रुजति अत्र पुरुषं श्लेष्म शब्दः भाववचनं that is कर्ता पुरुष शब्दः कर्मत्वम् अत्र कर्मत्वे द्वितीया एव भवति किमर्थं कारणं भाववचनानां श्लेष्मा is not भाववचनं श्लेष्मा is coming from dhatu only but it is not भाववचनं ajvarehi chuktam that we have not stressed earlier the karta should not be jvara there is a vartikam ajvari santapyoriti not only ajvari asantape api iti vakyakarasya nama yadi jvaraha atra jvara shabdah atra कर्ता भवति अथवा संताप शब्दः कर्ता भवति चेत् अत्र एतत् प्रक्रिया न भवति चौरं संतापयति तापः चौरं ज्वरयति ज्वरः ज्वर इज द कर्ता चौरं ज्वरयति चौर शब्दात् द्वितीया एव द्विषां रुजति द्विषाम अर्धयते द्विषाम तुदति इत्यादयः तुद अर्ध रुज इवन्नि एते सर्वे अपि रुजार्थ धातवः अत्रापि द्विषाम इति षष्ठी द्विषाम अर्धयते षष्ठी द्विषाम तुदति नाउ विथ दिस सूत्र वी विल कम टू अवर एंड ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు మా విద్విషావహై. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి.